Next chapter is laser. Laser full form is light amplification stimulated by emission of radiation. Laser is have some characteristics, that is it is monochromatic, and second one is unidirectional and highly coherent beam of light. Okay, and this laser first proposed by man. This laser is applying in many industries and also medical fields. The laser is very useful in our daily life. Okay, so laser is an important concept. The laser is produced on the basis of some basic principle, that is this one. Consider two energy level, that is E1 and E2. Here E1 is the ground state energy level, E2 is the excited state energy level. Ground state. What is ground state? In this state atoms are stable, which is lower state. So this state atom lifetime is longer time. And excited state, in this state which is atoms are unstable, this atom lifetime order is 10 power minus 8 second. Okay, in between these two state, ground state and excited state, there is in between these two state metastable state is exist. Metastable state. This metastable state is exist either as in ground state and in excited state. The metastable state atom lifetime order is 10 to the power minus 3 second. Okay, atoms are more stable in metastable state. Okay, so here the energy difference between these two energy level E1 and E2, that is difference is delta E. The delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Okay, so there is this is one system. From the externally radiation is incident on the system. There is some takes place appeared, that is Max Planck suggested that if an electromagnetic radiation whose frequency is, we know that according to Max Planck energy relation is E is equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant, nu is frequency of radiation. Based on that, according to Max Planck, he suggests that nu is equal to delta E by h. Instead of E, there is, here we have take delta E. Delta E is the difference, energy difference between the two energy level divided by h is equal to E2 minus E1 divided by h. According to Max Planck, he considered this equation. Okay, when external radiation is interact with the system, then we get new relation E2 minus E1 divided by h. Okay, so next, based on the basic principle, next we explain three process that is important. Three process is, one is induced absorption, second one spontaneous emission, third one stimulated emission. Induced absorption, there is consider two energy level, ground state energy level E1, excited state energy level E2. The ground state energy level, generally atoms are in ground state. Generally atoms are in ground state. When the external frequency supplying is interact with the atom, then this atom absorb external energy, then it get moved to the excited state. That is, from the externally energy absorbed the atom it moved to the excited state. Okay, so this process is called as induced absorption. This is represented as atom plus photon. Atom are in ground state plus photon, that is external frequency, external photon frequency, that is photon. Atom plus photon gives to atom star. Atom star is represented by atoms are in excited state. Okay, now this system is depend on external energy, that is called as energy density. Energy density is defined as amount of energy stored in a given system, that is called energy density. Next is spontaneous emission. Generally, in spontaneous emission, atoms are in excited state. Okay, atoms are in excited state. The atom is get voluntarily transit to the ground state by emitting photon. Okay, this system does not depend on the external frequency. This process is represented by atom star. Atom star is atoms are in excited state. So that here we have write atom star gives to atom transit to the ground state plus emitting photon. Okay. So next is stimulated emission. In the stimulated emission, atom are in excited state. When the external photon frequencies interact with the atom, this atom is transmit to the ground state. It emit two photon having same wavelength. It produce laser light. This process is represented by atom star plus photon. Atom star in excited state plus external frequencies add to this system. So here we have write atom star plus photon gives to atom plus photon plus photon. There are two photon here emit, so that atom plus photon is written here. These three processes are important. Based on the three processes, next we derived Einstein coefficient equation.